Join me as I test this so-called stupidest AI to see if it can handle some simple tasks. Artificial intelligence has come a long way in recent years, with rapid advancements and innovative applications emerging left and right. From virtual assistants to self-driving cars, AI is taking over our lives. It's been a blessing for the most part, but with great power comes great responsibility. And as we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI, we will encounter questionable creations along the way. One of the main challenges in AI development is the lack of understanding of human thought processes and behavior. AI systems are only as good as the data they're trained on, and when that data is biased or incomplete, the results can be disastrous. Additionally, AI developers often overcomplicate things, trying to create systems that can do it all rather than focusing on specific tasks. And let's not forget the pressure to rush AI products to market, which can lead to shortcuts being taken and poor design choices being made. Another common pitfall is the failure to consider the consequences of AI systems gone wrong. When we create autonomous systems that can make decisions independently, we need to consider the potential risks and implications of those decisions. This lack of foresight has led to some genuinely cringe-worthy AI failures in the past. And then there's the issue of AI being developed in isolation, without considering the broader social and ethical context in which they'll be used. Many AI systems are also designed with a narrow focus on a specific task without considering how they'll interact with other systems or humans. This can lead to AI that's great at one thing, but utterly useless in any other context. It's like creating a robot that can make the perfect peanut butter and jelly sandwich, but can't do anything else. We've seen some genuinely ridiculous AI systems in the past, from AI that's supposed to create art but produces nonsensical abstract images, to AI that's meant to provide customer service but just ends up being rude and unhelpful. But one AI system takes the cake, and that's what we will explore today. One of the most outrageous examples of a failed AI system is a chatbot designed to simulate human conversation. The idea was to create a bot that could have a natural sounding discussion with users, but the developers ended up with a bot that could only respond with sarcastic and often offensive comments. It was meant to be a helpful tool, but it became completely useless and even harmful. The bot's creators thought they could shortcut the development process by using a bunch of pre-trained responses. However, they didn't realize those responses would be taken out of context and used inappropriately. The bot was meant to be funny, but it was just plain mean-spirited. Amazingly, this thing was even released to the public in the first place. But what takes the cake is that the bot's creators seemed genuinely surprised when users started complaining about its behavior. They thought they could throw some AI magic dust on the thing, which would automatically work. It's a perfect example of what can happen when we rush into AI development without considering the consequences. So, there you have it, folks. A brief tour of some of the most questionable AI creations. We still have a lot to learn when it comes to developing effective and responsible AI. But by exploring these failures, we can better understand what works and what doesn't. Thanks for watching. And if you have any thoughts on these examples or want to share some of your favorite AI failures, leave a comment below. And if you want to learn more about the latest advancements in AI, be sure to check out my next video on the topic.